In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a container full width in Elementor. If you've been wondering how to make your design stretch from edge to edge, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through each step of the process, ensuring everything is detailed and straightforward. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, open your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you manage all aspects of your website. Look for the Pages section on the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find a list of all your pages. Navigate through this list and select the page where you want to make the container full width. Clicking on that page is your ticket to moving forward. Once the page opens, it's time to hit the Edit with Elementor button. This button is usually prominently placed and should be easy to spot. Elementor will then launch, presenting you with a live view of your page along with its editing tools. It's an intuitive platform, but it might look a bit complex at first glance if you're not familiar with it. Don't worry. We're guiding you through it. As you view your page in Elementor, hover over the section where you wish to modify the container. You'll notice a blue tab appearing at the top of the section. Click on it because this tab brings up the editing options needed for your task. This is the stage where you start making changes. Now, look over to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find various section settings. Click on the option labeled Layout. It's within this setting that you gain control over the width of your container. You'll see a drop-down menu under Content Width. Click on it and select Full Width. This action will stretch your container to fill the entire width of the page, aligning it to the edges without leaving any margin or padding. Instantly, you should see the transformation on your page as your content expands. Next, another consideration is the Stretch section option found here. Make sure that it's toggled to Yes. This adjustment ensures that no default settings in your template hinder the full width appearance. Before wrapping up, it's essential to preview your page to see how the changes appear live. In the bottom panel with the blue Update button, click the eye icon to view a preview of your page. Take a close look to ensure everything appears as you expected with the full width setting. Lastly, once satisfied, don't forget to click the Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This action will save all your adjustments, ensuring they are live on your website for everyone to see. There you have it. That's how you enhance your page by making a container full width using Elementor. This technique is a fantastic way to create a modern, stylish look for your website. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it helps elevate your web design to the next level.